my Thursday grocery haul. Just got back. We went by Foodland and here's you, Odie. Here you. And we just got back, so I'll show you what I got. Got 2 cases of Mountain Dews. Got Kendra the caffeine-free Diet Cokes, and I get the caffeine-free Diet Pepsis. Also got my vitamin waters again. Picked up these night lights to go in one of my little wall outlet Scentsy candles. The one I've got in there right now, I don't think it's enough wattage, so it's not getting hot enough and it's not melting the wax. Goldfish cream cookies. Those are Sid's favorites. Kendra likes these. More salad because I'm still on my Olive Garden salad kit. This is my favorite coffee creamer. It's the Cafe Mocha. I've tried so many different ones and I always just keep going back to this one. Sid wanted to try these shells, these in the bowls. She really likes the shell. My husband's outside mowing grass, so they're probably gonna bark. Then of course I got my waters. I only had 3 water jugs to get filled. And then I got the red seedless grapes. I like to eat stuff like a fruit for dessert. I got Casey's top ramen shrimp. I got a little pizza. And then the American sliced cheese. Stevia. Quart freezer bags. I like to use these as storage bags because they're thicker. And then shell mac and cheese, Rice Krispie treats. These are my favorite razors. I just buy them at the Dollar General store. These are great and they're like $5. This is the deodorant that I use. It's the Secret Clinical Strength and Clean Lavender. And let's see, I got 2 things of SpaghettiOs. And this is the dry shampoo that I like. I just get the Batiste Clean and Light Bare. It's got a good scent to it. It's not super overpowering. And then I cut my toe while I was in Walmart, so I had to get Band-Aids. And they had these cute little cups there on one of the end caps. Oh, let's see if I can get them without dropping them. But I was needing some more cups. The ones I've got, or they've just all disappeared. I think I have like 2 plastic cups left. So I just got me and Kendra the pink ones, Casey and Braden the gray ones, and Sid wanted them. These little cups went but like 50 cents a piece. So I got these for like less than $3. And they're very thick and they feel good. But they're the mainstays, 18-ounce tumblers. They have taller ones, but I like these shorter ones. Stop. This is the dish packs that I use. I get the Cascade Platinums. These are the ones that work the best, in my opinion. I really like these. And then toilet paper, because you gotta have it. And then we got 2 gallons of milk, sugar for Kendra's sweet tea, and then for dinner this week, I'm gonna do hot dogs and some hot ham and cheese sandwiches. It seems like there was something else, and I was gonna figure out what it was. I don't remember. But anyways, I already have the ham, so all I had to do is get the buns and the cheese. I like to get these King's Hawaiian because I love Hardee's hot ham and cheese sandwiches, and it tastes just like it. Alright, so now we went over to the thrift store on our roundabout, and I only pretty much found Kendra stuff. That was all I got today, was stuff for her. I couldn't find anything else, but I found her these cute little black sandals, like they've never been worn, from the Cat and Jack brand. And then this tank top, it says "This Girl's Got It." It's a Nike just sports top. And then there's an Adidas one. I really like this one. I thought this one, I like the colors on it. This one, and then it's another, another Adidas one. It says "Play Loud." And then I also found some Matilda Jane pants. These are just green, like dark green, light green striped with the ruffles on the end. This one. $9.85 for all this. So that ain't bad. You get 3 shirts, a pair of pants, and a pair of shoes. 10 bucks. Okay, so I'm gonna do the Cajun smoked sausage recipe. It's like a Cajun bake or sausage bake, and it's so good. But here's everything that you're gonna need. You're gonna need a smoked sausage. This was just what was on sale. It's a Hillshire Farm. And then you're gonna need a small onion, a can of green beans. I like the shortcut. And then a can of whole kernel corn, 1 stick of butter. I like the red potatoes. You can get whatever, any kind of potatoes that you like. We just like the baby reds. And then you're gonna need salt and pepper and Cajun seasoning. This one I've just picked up at the Dollar General. I figure Walmart probably has something similar. This is the, let me turn around so you can see the ingredients, but this is what's in it. I literally have you propped up on my knife holder. Maybe that's a little work.